Hello everyone, it's Michael Park. This is Whiteboard 2.0. Many of you remember back in September when I recorded Whiteboard 1.0, which took all the capabilities of ServiceNow and put it into a structured architecture review of what we're doing in AI. Today what I want to do is give you an update. The architecture and the discussion we had in September still very much holds, but what we've done is extended it quite a bit. So I want to elevate the discussion and take you through some of the high-level changes with Whiteboard 2.0. So if we look at the board here, let's starting again at the bottom. We started with Workflow Data Fabric, and we talked about the knowledge graph and how it's connecting to different data sets, both analytically and operationally, and that work continues. And as we continue to run more and more workflows through the platform, remember, we're running 100 billion workflows a year, 7 trillion actions through the platform at the enterprise level in 90% of the Fortune 500 today. That operational and knowledge graph for each and every customer is getting stronger and stronger, combining with the power of AI today. So this capability is building more strongly into something that we introduced called the context graph, which is really building context of all this information and how it applies to the uniqueness of the data within the enterprise and how it fuels the AI and the tooling layer of ServiceNow, which continues to grow in its strength across sensing, deciding, acting, and securing the enterprise workflows. Now, up at the experience level, because of agentic AI, we've seen a lot of changes happening here. So in the workflow layer, we continue to build deterministic workflows that are also augmented with the AI assistance to really tackle workflow automation in IT, in OT, in security, in CRM, in procurement, in HR, et cetera, et cetera. We're in every corner of the enterprise with this approach, and it's going really well. The company just hit 15 billion. We're continuing to grow at 20%. And for partners, that's still, just in workflows alone, an amazing opportunity for you. In December, we closed on the Moveworks acquisition. And what we've done is we've taken the conversational capabilities of Moveworks, combined with Now Assist, and created Otto. And Otto is the AI conversational front door into any request that comes through the ServiceNow platform in this way, conversational. And so to get Otto, you have to buy EmployeeWorks. And this capability gives you all this unique power of the goodness of Moveworks combined with Now Assist. So now I have the workflow experience going through in a call center or through a particular workflow experience. I have Otto, which is for any type of request that I want to push through. And we also announced Action Fabric. And what Action Fabric is, it's the ability to call the entire ServiceNow runtime from outside. So this is really powerful because you can be building in Gemini, you can be building in Azure AI, you can be building, with AWS and Bedrock, you can be building Anthropic or OpenAI, your model and the platform of your choice. And you can use the data that you're collecting and the inference you're generating and call the ServiceNow runtime through the Action Fabric to administer, execute, build agentic workflows and complete the job in a different platform. So this is a very powerful construct for our partners. This is where the A2A protocol is. This is where the MCP protocol is. This is where you might be working in a Teams environment or some other platform environment and call into the Action Fabric to generate a workflow from all the power of the data and the knowledge graph and the platform capabilities of ServiceNow rendered as an automation runtime for you to access. So this is fundamentally changing the paradigm. And then if you click down one level, we have both the Moveworks Agent Builder and the traditional Workflow Agent Builder, where our platform can administer the build out of autonomous agents, specialist agents, agents that augment L1 work or even replace it, both from the standpoint of optimizing from a conversational standpoint, as well as augmenting or replacing the workflow itself. And so all of this capability is really designed to give the customer ultimate flexibility and openness in where they're building, how they're solving the workflow, and how to use the power of the ServiceNow platform from the data into the workflow tooling and automation and AI layer into the workflow experience layer, all in a unified way. And for you as a partner, the beauty of this approach is the fact that all of this capability on one platform gives you the ability to generate a much higher operating cash flow margin because this is one platform. Once your team learns this skill, they can apply this platform to any workflow in any department or combining any workflow across any department to transform the way a customer works. And the economic benefit to the customer is faster time to value. The economic value for you is more leverage off your human assets to drive the operating cash flow margin from one platform, and the flexibility to punch out using Action Fabric using other platforms as well. And the creme de la creme of this is on the right, the AI Control Tower. The AI Control Tower will administer compliance, security, governance, performance management over this entire stack. Everything that's inside here has been pre-wired with AI Control Tower, and as you plug in the Action Fabric into other platforms, ServiceNow can administer AI Control Tower over other platforms as well. And that's a big deal right now because many of our customers are building on multiple platforms, but they really don't have a way to administer a common way across multiple platforms to provision, security, risk, governance, performance management, and control. So that's pretty cool. And then the last element, which we didn't talk about, was we did acquire 2 companies in the security space, Armis and Veza. And those are super powerful for what they do, both in the form of identity as well as OT, in being able to tag any kind of asset in the enterprise. Combining those capabilities allows us to have a more secure and governed operating entity across the ServiceNow platform, as well as providing power into the AI Control Tower to be able to administer that capability across other platforms as well. So you can see in a nutshell the transformation that ServiceNow is on. We're moving from what was fundamentally an IT automation platform into an AI-driven business transformation platform. And we're doing it in a way that's very open to allow partners and customers to build where they want to build, integrate, but leverage the full power of ServiceNow's capability and connect and leverage all the history of the data inside the enterprise, which provides the context to fuel the AI to drive the workflow transformation. This is one of the most exciting times I think we've ever seen in the history of technology, and ServiceNow is right in the center of this transformation, and our partners is how we get it done. So let's go.